In this tutorial, I'll give you a quick tour of how to use our sunburst diagram of Mary Baker Eddy's incoming correspondence. You'll find it under the resources section of the papers site, along with some other ways to explore the papers. Just click on Sunburst Diagram of Incoming Correspondence, and it will open for you in a new tab. So what you'll see in this diagram are the names of people who wrote to Mary Baker Eddy, arranged by how many letters they sent to her. So the inner track shows the author's name, and the outer track shows the documents listed by accession number. And accession numbers are unique identifiers for each document. So as you can see, those who wrote most frequently, like Silas Sawyer, appear larger. Note that the current sunburst diagram displays the authors and letters published so far. So this is mostly letters up to 1886, and it'll change over time as some writers stop corresponding with Eddy and new ones start. So this diagram really captures a snapshot that will change over time, but it can be a good place to start exploring the papers. If you'd like to look at an individual letter by any author, just click on the accession number, and it will open for you in a new tab. Now, if you click on an author's name on the diagram, what will happen is it will display all of the letters by that author, along with some metadata about the letter, such as the date that it was written, where it was written from. Now, if you want to go back to that main view of the diagram, just click anywhere in the middle, and it will take you back to the main view. Now, a couple more things you can do is use these sliders up here at the top to change, for example, the number of authors to display. So if you'd like to see more authors, or if you'd like to see just a few authors, you can do that. And you can also change the number of documents, so you can see who wrote the most letters, but you could also go and see who's only written maybe just one letter to Mary Baker Eddy so far. So we hope you enjoy taking some time to explore this diagram, seeing who wrote to Eddy quite a bit, who only wrote a few letters, and just enjoying seeing this snapshot in time as a new way to explore the Mary Baker Eddy papers. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch.